Foldable phones are about to level up. While the Galaxy Z Flip 7 keeps its fashion-forward crown, the Z Fold 7 is rumored to be Samsung's most revolutionary big-screen foldable yet. Still holding a Z Fold 5? It's solid, but the Fold 7 might be the upgrade worth waiting for. Design comparison. Z Fold 5 versus Z Fold 7. The Z Fold 5 nailed the flat fold with its sleek hinge, but let's face it, it was chunky. Enter the Z Fold 7. Leaks suggest a jaw-dropping 8.2mm thickness when folded, down from 13.4mm. And larger screens, 6.5 inches outside, 8 inches inside, with a wider cover display to finally fix that typing on a remote feel. Display close-up. Both screens will likely keep Samsung's stunning dynamic AMOLED 2X tech, 1 to 120 Hz refresh rates, and blinding 2600 plus nit brightness. But here's the headline. Samsung may finally tame the crease, making it less visible than ever. Performance and camera specs under the hood, a monster 3nm Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, way faster than the Fold 5's Gen 2, plus rumors of a 200-megapixel main camera, matching the S25 Ultra. That's a huge leap from the Fold 5's good enough 50-megapixel shooter. Battery and charging. Now the downsides. Battery stays at 4,400 mAh with sluggish 25-watt charging. Samsung's playing safe while rivals hit 100 watts plus. But the efficient new chip should squeeze out more juice per charge. Leaked upgrades list? Leaks hint at 11 major upgrades? Thinner body, stronger screens, better speakers, even improved water resistance. And it might launch with One UI 8 on Android 16, if Samsung nails the timing. So, is the Z Fold 7 the foldable to beat? With a sleeker design, pro-grade camera, and powerhouse chip, it's shaping up to be Samsung's biggest leap yet. Stay tuned for the July launch. The foldable future is almost here.